I'm going to show you guys something crazy, and I'm going to put two companies on blast: Low Car Performance and Jegs. All right, so here's the background to this. All right, I'm putting the finishing touches on the Propane Belvedere. So the brakes are in it, and it's on the ground, and now I'm crossing the T's and dotting the I's and connecting all of the things that need to be connected, okay? So typically I use a transmission kickdown linkage, a factory linkage, but I don't happen to have one. And rather than hunting around, I said to myself, you know what, just throw one of them low car cable kits in there, okay? Because now, this is important, you have to understand something. I have used them before, like I've installed them and I've adjusted them. I have never purchased one. These are always for other people on other people's cars. But I said, for expediency's sake, let me just order a low car cable set, kickdown cable kit for this thing, and call it a day, right? Move on to other things. So, all right, I'll show you what we got here in a second. So I go online, right? And I go to low car. Let's go in here. And I put in search 727 kickdown cable. All right. So here is low car's page, products, 48-inch high-tech stainless steel housing, 727 kickdown cable with polished fittings, $166.95. Like I said, I've used these before, I never bought one. And something didn't click. I'm like, I know the product, right? I've handled the product. How the hell did I get $166, $167 for this thing? That's insane, right? So before I bite the bullet and buy one of these things, or just go and cobble together a mechanical linkage setup like God intended, I says, let me just see if I can find another brand at a better price, okay? So I put in search, right, just Google search 727 kickdown cable. And a bunch of options pop up, but I jump to the first one that I see, and it's Jegs. Jegs page. Low car, Chrysler 727 stainless steel kickdown cable, $102. That's $65 cheaper for the same part, right? Labeled the same way. Well, I mean, I'd be a fool to order it through low car. I'll get it through Jegs. Now there was another thing too, and this is really important. This is really important. Jegs, Chrysler 727 stainless steel kickdown cable kit, made in the USA, okay? Made in the USA. All right, now, on the low car page, it doesn't say anything about where it comes from, just its absurd price, okay? But on the Jegs page, it tells you that this product is made in the USA. The low car stainless steel 727 kickdown cable is made in the USA. Now, I go out of my way to try and support any USA-made products whenever possible, whenever practical. If there's a huge difference in price, I will tend to buy the cheaper one and not really worry about where it's made. Now, again, inconsequential type of parts. And I consider this to be an inconsequential type of part. In other words, it's not going to wreck my engine. It's not going to, I'm not going to crash and burn because of this thing. If it fails, right? But the point is, I try to support American companies whenever I can, whenever it's practical to support American companies. So I said to myself, I'm comfortable in the knowledge now that the low car cable setup is made in the USA, right? But I say to myself, $102, $65 difference between the two. Can I find it even cheaper than that? Yeah. I found it cheaper than that. I found it on Amazon for $21. Okay? 21 bucks. And then I found it cheaper. Actually, after I bought the one that was on Amazon for $21, I found it even cheaper for $16, right? But that's besides the point. I bought the $21 Amazon one. Now, like I said, I've installed these before. I'm familiar with them. I know what they look like. I know what they feel like, all right? I bought 2 of them. What's that say right there? Made in China. This is one of the kits purchased off of Amazon for 21 bucks. And here is, I started installing it last night, so I've got it all set up over here at the mixer, and now I've just got to get underneath and install the transmission part of it. So you say to yourself, well, that's got to be just a cheap Chinese knockoff of a noble American product, right? It's not. It's not. I studied the pictures. Now, I went and I looked at every single listing for this 727 cable, all right? And there's a bunch of them, all different prices, ranging from $16 to $166.95 from Valor itself. They're all the same. It's all the same product, okay? The only difference I could find between them all is different colors, right? So like some of these fittings are gray like this one, and some of them are black, all right? And the ones from Valor, instead of being blank like this, say Valor on them. But other than that, the kits are exactly the same. Right down to these, where is it? These little Allen keys that they put in. There's 2 of them, and I don't know why they put 2 of them in there, but there's 2 of these little, the same size. 2 of these little Allen keys that are included in the kit. It's clearly not made in the USA. It's made in China, and it's available on Amazon for 21 bucks. Actually, $16 and change, but I bought these for $21. All right, so this is what I need to know, right? Valor. How? Now I know you're buying them cheaper than even the $16 that I could find them on. You're probably paying $10 for these things. Valor. How are you charging $167? What kind of huge, amazing, crazy, insane markup is that on a part like this? It's mind-boggling. Jegs, okay, you're offering a discount on this for 102 bucks, right? But it's made in the USA. Did Valor tell you that it was made in the USA? Or did you decide that it was made in the USA and you put that on there, right? Because clearly these cable kits come from China. All of the different manufacturers, all of the different versions and variations of this thing have exactly, like I said, do it yourself. Don't take my word for it, do it yourself. Look up, go to Google, put in 727 kickdown cable, okay, and look at each of the items that come up. The only differences you're going to find is in the colors of some of the fittings, and some of these are stainless and some of them are black, okay? But other than that, other than the actual colors, no, they're exactly the same. The hardware is the same. Everything is the same. So, Valor, do you make these things in the USA? If you do make them in the USA, I will absolutely apologize. I'll make a whole video, right? But Valor, show me the plant, show me the facilities that you're actually making, stamping out these fittings and molding these plastic jammies right here and whoop, making the cables and the brackets. Show me the USA facilities with USA people actually doing the work. I will apologize. I'll buy your kit. I'll buy from now on, I'll do nothing but, I'll buy nothing but Valor. If Valor offers it, I'll buy it, okay? Show me where this thing's made in the USA. And if Valor is going to say, well, yeah, okay, we import them, then Jegs, tell me why you claim that this thing is made in the USA. Because, I mean, is there such a thing as stolen valor when it comes to auto parts? Because I think that's what we've got here. This is like a case of stolen valor. My mind is blown by the wide, huge discrepancy in description and price concerning this simple, common item. And you know, I just stumbled across this one. I'm sure there are others, right? But seriously, guys, Jegs, Locar, respond. I'll pin your comments, whatever you guys have got to say. But please, if it's made in the USA, show us the facilities where these things are made in the USA. Or we're just gonna have to assume that you buy pallets of these things from China and you package them as Locar, or there are other brands too that carry the same exact thing, all at different prices. I've never seen one item with so many different prices, from $16 to $166, $167, and literally every step in between. It's insanity, right? But most importantly, don't tell me something is made in the USA when it's not, because that pisses me. So, I mean, everything else is buyer beware, do your homework, shop around. But don't tell me something's made here in the USA and it's not, because that's just wrong, okay? I'll give you guys an update on this, on the overall bit of the car soon. But I just wanted to get this out there because it's just crazy. If you know of any other examples like this, put them in the comments. I really want to see this stuff. I'll see you tomorrow.